India does not have enough hospital beds. We've all complained about it, but that's about to change. Welcome to day 10 of 100 days of sector snippets. India has 140 crore population. WHO says a country must have 30 hospital beds per 10,000 people. In India, we have 16. That's a shortfall of 20 lakh beds. And for nearly a decade, nobody was building. India's healthcare expenditure has historically been at 3.8% of our GDP, which is not just lower than USA that spends 16% of its GDP, but also significantly lower than countries like Brazil, Mexico, and Thailand. Between 2019 and 2024, most hospital chains realized if they were not expanding, they can at least optimize. So they started focusing on something called average revenue per occupied bed. Basically, how much money each occupied bed generates. So they started shifting to high margin expensive treatments like oncology, neurology, organ transplant. The result, revenues grew 15 to 16% annually, EBITDA margins hit 21 to 22%. They paid off all their debt and collected piles of cash. And now they're ready to spend. Top hospital chains in India are adding 15,000 beds by FY27. That's 26% more capacity and 32,000 crore in capital. After years of nothing, they're expanding at 11 to 12% annually, up from just 3%. Apollo, Fortis, Max, Narayana all are in, and they're even targeting tier 2 and tier 3 cities that offer cheap land with almost zero competition. Now, the real question is demand in India strong enough? Well, it's embarrassingly strong. First, the demographics. India is aging. More people are hitting 45 plus every year, the age group that drives chronic diseases. Second, insurance. Back in 2014, only 20 crore Indians had some form of health insurance. By 2024, this number was at 55 crore. But that is even still 40% coverage. With Ayushman Bharat and digital onboarding, this could hit 50% by FY30. Third, medical tourism. 7 lakh patients today, but projected to reach 30 lakh by 2030. These international patients pay 3 to 5x of what domestic patients do. So the sector is expected to grow at 11 to 12% CAGR through FY28. The growth will be volume led, not price led. And even the government's playing along. In the union budget of FY26, healthcare expenditure got a bump of 9.8% to almost 1 lakh crore. But public hospitals are still underfunded, understaffed, and unevenly spread, which means private players will capture the lion's share of demand. Point is, India's hospital sector is entering a new phase. The margin squeezing phase is over, and the capacity expansion race has just begun. So which hospital stock are you watching?